Thinking about starting a business in Texas? Let's walk through the essential steps to form a limited liability company, or LLC, in the Lone Star State for 2024. Forming an LLC in Texas can be straightforward, but there are crucial steps you need to follow. Here's a complete checklist to guide you through the process. First, evaluate whether an LLC is the right business structure for you. Texas offers various options, including sole proprietorships, partnerships, and corporations. LLCs provide limited liability protection and flexible tax options, making them popular among small business owners. Once you've decided on an LLC, it's time to choose a name. Your company name must include the words Limited Liability Company or the abbreviation LLC. Conduct a thorough search to ensure your desired name isn't already taken or trademarked. You can reserve your name with the Texas Secretary of State for 120 days while you prepare your formation documents. Next, draft an operating agreement. While not legally required in Texas, this document is crucial, especially for multi-member LLCs. It outlines ownership structure, member roles, and management procedures, helping prevent future misunderstandings. Tax compliance is a critical step. Obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This number is necessary for tax filing and opening a business bank account. Also, register for state taxes, such as franchise tax and sales tax if applicable. Consult a tax professional to ensure you meet all federal, state, and local tax obligations. Every Texas LLC must designate a registered agent. This person or entity receives legal documents on behalf of your LLC and must have a physical address in Texas. You can act as your own registered agent or hire a professional service. The final step in creating your LLC is filing the Certificate of Formation, also known as Form 205, with the Texas Secretary of State. This document includes essential information about your LLC, such as its name, address, and management structure. You can file online or by mail, and a filing fee applies. Additional considerations include creating a basic information checklist with details like member names and addresses, business description, and management structure. For existing businesses transitioning to an LLC, consider how to transfer properties, licenses, and insurance policies. Remember, forming an LLC is just the beginning. Ongoing compliance, such as maintaining accurate records and filing annual reports, is crucial for your LLC's continued good standing in Texas. By following this checklist, you'll be well on your way to establishing your Texas LLC. With proper planning and attention to detail, you can set a strong foundation for your business's success in the Lone Star State.